You have seen its rapid development. You have heard its howl in the long sky. You have felt its steady and convenient. Intelligent and efficient, green and energy-saving, made in China, will definitely lead the new direction in the field of welding. Shandong Szeshang Welding Materials Company Limited adheres to innovation leading the future, achieving excellence through specialization. We specialize in the research, development, production, sales, and service of solid welding wire, aluminum alloy welding wire, flux cord wires, stainless steel, and other special welding electrodes. Annually, we produce over 40,000 tons of solid welding wire, more than 3,000 tons of aluminum alloy welding wire, over 10,000 tons of flux cord wire, and over 8,000 tons of stainless steel and other special welding electrodes. Our products are widely used in the field of new energy vehicle manufacturing, bridges, pressure vessels, aviation, 3D printing, and high-speed railways. A number of invention patents perfectly illustrate abundant scientific research and actual prowess. Leadership comes from the ultimate pursuit of manufacturing. From manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing, Szeshang Welding Materials connects the world with smart technology, sharing value with the customers. Among these certifications is our relentless pursuit of product development. Every golden achievement represents collective responsibility and wisdom of our team. In the future, we will continue to adhere to the product concept of technology determines value, service achieves the future. Actively participate in international optimum competition to ensure that each product is innovative, practical, advanced, energy-saving, and environmental. Precision creates excellence. Integrity expands business.